Okay, so site tour and house tour, PH1 Northscape, San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. Guys, so with our realty company, welcome to PH1 Northscape, San Jose del Monte, Bulacan by Mega Wide Contractor. Yan. Pina-flash ko sa screen guys kung bakit dapat mong pagkatiwalaan ang Mega Wide Contractor. Ayan po, what is Mega Wide Contractor? Okay, sige, house tour na tayo. So, although sold out na ang inner unit, ayan, titignan pa rin natin. Oo, si inner unit na na-sold out na. Ano na lang to eh, parang wait na lang ng reopen. Ganun na lang. Okay. Sige guys, pasok na kayo. House tour na to.
Ito ba 3 bedrooms to?
Yes po. Yes, 3 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath. Complete finish turnover. Ganda, no? Kaya unang na sold out eh. Ganda oh. Akalain mo yun, no, may 3 bedrooms ka na. Perfect for a big family. Bedroom 1. Bedroom 2. And of course, your master's bedroom. Ayan. Ito na rin yung ongoing construction sa PH1 Northscapes. Napakabilis po nilang gumawa. Very diligent po ang ating developer at contractor, Mega Wide Contractor. Mega Wide, grabe. Sosyal. May pangalan ang contractor natin sa PH1 Northscapes. So, ito naman yung available na meron tayo sa inventory kasi ito 70% sold out na. So, ito yung end unit na townhouse na ganyan siya kalaki, oh. Yan. End unit townhouse. Sa'yo pa to hanggang dun. Yan. So, house tour tayo ha. Kasama ko ang team namin. Yan. Very elegant, very classy. Ganda. Kahit yung floor tiles, diba? Very elegant and classic siya. Actually, it's really worth the price. Spacious hallway. Master's bedroom. Ganda ng master's bedroom. Perfect. Master's bedroom. Pakita ko na yung sample computation since ito lang naman din talaga yung ating natitirang available dito. Dahil almost sold out na to eh. Nasa screen guys, sample computation ng end unit townhouse. Yan. And of course, The single attached. Yan, para mas kita ng buo. Ayan yung single attached. Sa gilid, oh. Yan siya. Yan, sa side. Napakalaki ng lot area niya. At floor area. Ayan. So, ito may available pa tayo, ha. Single attached sa labas. Ito siya. We're gonna have a house tour, guys. Yan. Likod, ito siya. Stunning, stunning. Worth the price, 'di ba guys? For the single attached. Yan oh. Oh my goodness. Look at your future home. Here at PH1 Northscape, single attached. Elegant, classy, mega wide contractor. Service area, access to your backyard or garage, toilet and shower. Stunning, stunning. Single attached. 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath as well. Yan. Diba guys, ang luwag ng hallway. Bathroom number 2. So, ito yung perfect rent sa big family. Okay? So, master's bedroom na may access sa balcony. So, this is your master's bedroom. Okay? Stunning master's bedroom with access to your balcony. So, ito siya guys. Yung kanyang balcony guys. Diba no? Ang laki no? Balcony pa lang 25 square meter na. So, ito guys yung ating single attached sa dito sa yan, single attached PH1 Northscapes. At ito na rin yung ongoing construction. So, update na rin to guys ha. Napakadami na pong nakatayo dito. Last time I was here hanggang dun pa lang. Tapos tignan mo na yung mga nadagdag. Yan o, ganyan na karami. Malapit na to, may mga lilipat na po dito first quarter next year most likely. So ito po yung ating single attached. Alright? Mega wide contractor guys. Bigay ko kayo ng sample computation for the single attached kasi ang natitira na lang po natin dito less than 30% inventory. Single attached tsaka end unit townhouse na lang. So, ayan po yung ating sample computation. Ayan. Okay, guys. So, what are you waiting for? Reserve mo na agad itong PH1 Northscapes na natitira natin. Pili ka na sa mapa. Kontakin mo ako Viber, WhatsApp, iMessage agad para masendan kita ng sample computation. Pwede tayo mag-tripping 1 to 2 days before. Mag-schedule ka sa akin. Strictly no walk-ins. Bawal po mag-walk-in dito. Okay guys? So ayan po siya. Kontakin mo na kaagad ako. Kapag nakapag-reserve ka between November to December 2024, my Burr months promo guys. Napakalaki po ng binibigay kong incentives dito. Okay? Upon unit turnover, you choose if you want to receive 25,000 worth of SM gift certificate or 25,000 as a cashback. Okay? So that is my exclusive promo only here at PH1 Northscapes, November to December reservation only. Okay? So what are you waiting for? Contact me as soon as possible. Okay? Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. My name is Nicole. And have a great one, everyone. Thank you so much for watching.